Hey, Daria Jackson Ligonier here, and in this video, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what the digital growth community looks like and what the Legacy Builders Program 2.0 looks like as well, so you know exactly what you're getting. So right now you are looking in the back office, and this is where we actually get access to the program. So here are some bonuses that we get. As you can see, we have the 30-day marketing strategy. We get mindset. We get invisible marketing, faceless marketing, which is very hot right now. So you'll learn exactly how to do that. Setting up your faceless brand, Canva, and just learning how to brand yourself on these social media streets. So you also get 4 other programs once you become a legacy builder, which is the launch pad, which is the digital mastery, and you also get the passive, what is it called? The passive daily pay blueprint as well. So that's 4 marketing streams that you get as you become a legacy builder. So this is the 2.0. This is our entry point. Also, you can see where we would go to get certified. So we would be a licensed reseller in the industry. So it gives you the ins and out of what it means to be a master resell, to get the master resell rights, and so much more. So you want to have that under your belt because it gives you more credibility. So here's the walkthrough in the Legacy 2.0 program. So we have our modules here. Start here, really simple, so you know where to go. You have access to our calls, our replays, our marketing and social media, how to set up your freedom system, and everything that you need to be successful on these online streets. Email marketing, affiliate marketing, chat GPT. So everything that you would need to be successful is right here in this Legacy Builders program. So if you're a newbie, someone that has never made money online before, you'll have a greater understanding of what it is that we do, and you'll learn how to attract people over to you. So now I'm heading over to our school, our community. And as you can see, every day she comes in, our mentor comes in, and she gives us a video. And we watch the video and we get a lot of nuggets. So now I'm in the wins section. And this is the section where everyone shares their wins, no matter how big they are, how small they are. So people are very, very excited because they are getting paid already from Legacy 2.0. Just following the blueprint. People are still setting up their systems. People are getting access to everything. Some people are showing that they upgraded because they were in the older system. The system is new and improved and has a lot of nuggets to help newbies to make money online. There's people that are just setting up their YouTube for the first time, getting traffic. All kinds of things are happening here in this community. So as you can see, people are getting sales in one day because we literally just launched 2.0 yesterday. So if you are ready to take the journey with us through digital marketing, learning master resell rights, getting licensed to sell a digital marketing program, and helping you to understand exactly what it is, then what I want you to do is below this video, just comment info. Not to mention, you will be emailed. I will email you personally the exact blueprint that we are following. The blueprint is filled with nuggets to help you to understand how to market in the online space, on social media, without worrying about paying for ads. We don't pay for ads over here unless you want to, but that is not what is taught. And our mentor has made $5 million using Wi-Fi her phone, and her voice. So you're going to learn exactly how to do that as well. She did not pay for ads at all. We are not taught that over here. So come on in, join me. Let's lock arms. Let's do this thing together. It's going to be amazing because as you are learning, you will be earning. All you have to do is just be coachable and show up each and every day. So below this video, comment info and I'll send you everything that you need so that you can make a informed decision. I'll see you on the inside. Peace.